Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to send camera roll videos as snaps on Snapchat. So to do that, let's head over to our Snapchat application first. Once you're there, just go to the search filter option and now search for photo. Now tap on this photo option right here. You can select any video you want. Like I'm selecting this one. And suppose I have recorded this part and I'm tapping on send to. I'm sending this person and when it is sent, if I go back to my DM section, as you can see, my photo is sent as the video is sent as snap. So yeah, this is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next